Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the development of Islamic banks in Saudi Arabia. Islamic finance has had a rapid development throughout the past decades, with its banking segment has expanded throughout the various regions such as Middle Eastern country and Malaysia. The Middle Eastern countries have a highly mature oil and gas industry, which ensure that they must always receive a huge capital flows. Our chosen country is Saudi Arabia. It's located at the Western Asia constitution of Arabian Peninsula and is known as the second largest oil producer in the world, just behind United States. Hence, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia have become the second largest Islamic financial market with the asset estimately 338 billion US dollar. We chose Al-Rajhi Bank as our bank to analyze because this bank has the highest amount of assets compared to other banks in Saudi Arabia. Now, let's take a look at the geographical distribution at the selected banks in Saudi Arabia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm going to discuss about geographical distribution of Islamic bank in Saudi Arabia. Most of these Islamic banks are located in major cities. There are three major cities which are concentrated with Islamic bank, which is Riyadh, Mecca, Medina, and the eastern region of Saudi Arabia. You all must be wonder why the Islamic bank concentrated in this major city. The main reason is because this major city has the most demand of Islamic bank at there. Next, Riyadh also is the main cities or the major city in Saudi Arabia. All of the big companies' headquarters are located in the Riyadh. So no wonder why all of these Islamic bank try to concentrate most of their Islamic bank in this major city.
Saudi Arabia had no formal money and banking system until middle 20th century. Later, Islamic Development Bank was established as the first Islamic bank in Saudi Arabia. After the establishment of National Commercial Bank of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabic monetary agency was also created in 1952 years to service as a central bank within the confines of Islamic law. Each bank has been granted license from Islamic to open a branch in 2003 years as the first foreign bank in Saudi Arabia, and since then a number of international banks enter the Saudi market.
Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to talk about the products that is offered in Rajhi Bank. Rajhi Bank basically has 6 products. The first one is Buy Al-Ajil. Buy Al-Ajil is a process that involves selling goods or commodities to the customers and later appoint banks as agents to sell the same goods to the market. And next one is Murabaha, which allows customers to buy raw materials, capital goods and other consumables from local and international markets. The third one is Musharaka. Musharaka is basically a limited partnership between Al-Rajhi Bank and also customers who wants to import specific goods and equipments but do not possess the sufficient funds to do so. The next one is Istisna. Under Istisna, Al-Rajhi Bank will arrange to build an asset or plant in order to meet the specifications requested by the customer. The next one is Akad. Akad is basically that gives opportunities to customers to invest in a property. The money to the bank can be in the form of installment structured over a certain period of time. And the last one is Irad, which provide credit facilities against the assignment of rental income for over a certain period for those who are interested in financing real estate purchase. Thank you.
For the services, Al-Rajhi Islamic Bank has offered 3 services in Saudi Arabia. The first one is the ATM allocated. Al-Rajhi Islamic Bank has the largest number of branches and ATM recorded throughout of the kingdom in Saudi Arabia. Customer, by having the credit card, have the opportunity to withdraw their money at any time they want and wherever they may be. The second one is mobile banking. The bank offers the new free app, which is for Android smartphone user, which allow them to all view account information, schedule bill payments, and also to apply for product by simply following a few steps easy. And the last one is online banking. This permits customers to make payments and offering charge easier without the need to do in the bank. All this effort is to make sure that customers are satisfied and supported at all times.
Assalamualaikum. I'm going to talk about the Islamic banking and finance industry. So basically, in Saudi Arabia, there is no specific regulation of Islamic banking. The RRG banks agree that all the transactions and dealings should be in compliance with the principles of Sharia law. Accordingly, the Council of Minister Resolution number 245 and the Royal Decrees number 59 issues that the RRG banks as one of the Saudi joint stock company. So the Sharia law provided counsel and guidance to the banks in order to provide fairly services to the customer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. With the rapid growth of Islamic economy and also Islamic financial system, the issue of Sharia adherence has been incorporated into the Islamic financial system. As a result, some of the countries has come to accept the concept of Sharia non-compliance as a failure to comply with the Islamic financial system. Saudi Arabia is leading the way in any concept that is against with Sharia, is against with the law. The issue of compliance in the banking system is no longer a foreign issue. Compliance is a benchmark for determining the effectiveness of the bank operation and performance. Sharia and legal compliance are the most important assets of management of the banking system. Indirectly, any Sharia compliant banking product cannot be implemented in Saudi Arabia. This can be seen when products such as Buy al-Ina is not accepted in Saudi Arabia because of the elements of usury. The enactment of uniform regulation for all conventional banks and Islamic banks was not always able to accommodate the needs of Islamic banking's product. This condition has encouraged banking institutions to hang on the legitimacy of the product of their activities to a Sharia council, which was founded by each bank's founder.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf. Today I will talk about the challenge that had been faced by Saudi Arabia. The first challenge that had been faced by Saudi Arabia is in the aspect of regulatory approach. At first of its establishment of Islamic finance in its country, Saudi Arabia did not have a specific Islamic finance policy for regulators or non-mandatory Sharia compliance or regulation for Islamic finance industry. They didn't have a complete policy about Islamic finance industry. So they view Islamic finance as same as conventional system. But the truth is, Islamic finance is different with conventional system because there is certain thing that is prohibited according to Sharia, but it had been applied in conventional system.
From all of this, we can conclude that Saudi Arabia is one of the most advanced in Islamic financial system. This is because Saudi Arabia always trying to learn and improve themselves and also always follow the Sharia rule to ensure that the banks operate fairly. This helps contribute to the growth in Islamic financial system globally. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Okay, perfect.